Happy 330A day. What a better way to celebrate with the funniest Schindler HT known to mankind. It's here. Sorry if this is a bad video, I'm kind of holding two things of anti-ends. Good, no, called. Oh, it's right down here. Are you ready for an epic motor? Epic motor. Also, wait. Yeah, this was replaced. Kind of a crappy video, but whatever. Had to get something for 330 a day. Not only this is the funniest. Oh god. Panel's kind of like fun. Not only this is the funniest Schindler HT I know of, it's also my childhood Schindler HT. So this is probably the best thing I'll get for you guys for 338 a day. Yeah, sorry about the crappy video. I'm holding two things right now. Schindler. There it goes. And that's it. Happy 330 a day.